What's up guys, and welcome to the 47th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial, it's all about references. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing you got to do is go right to the top and type in int main, your parentheses and your curly braces, and then say int actual int equals 123, and then int star, not even star, ampersand, other int equals actual int. So if I just copy this, and you can just print out the values by saying std cout actually, we already have that saved in memory, and then equals, close that off, move on to the next line and say std cout less than, just space that up correctly, and then we can say other int put that on a new line, and close that off. And now move on to the next line by saying other int increment, close that off. You'll see why this is in a minute. So if I just copy this, because we just need to copy this, copy, move on to the next line and say paste, and then we should increment the actual int. So if I just copy this, paste it again, and say actual int increment, close that off, and then we can go to the next line, copy this again, copy this whole thing. So if I just copy it and paste it onto the next line, and then we have a program that represents references. So we can run this, but before we actually run this, we need to see what's actually happening in the program. So if I save this and explain, so we have a program right at the top where it says int actual int equals 123, instantiate a variable. On the next line it says int ampersand other int equals actual int, instantiate a reference to a variable. And right at the bottom where it says other int increment actual int increment them both. So if I run this, we see what we get. Build succeeded, so 123 equals 123. Then we have it incremented, so 124 equals 124. Then we have incremented again, 125 equals 125. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.